If you want a live chat and automation tool that you can add to your website so visitors can contact you easily, then you should use the AnyChat, and in this video we will talk about this. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to get the most out of smart tools without any hassle. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get the access to AnyChat lifetime deal on AppSumo. By using that link, the discount will be applied automatically. Now let's talk about the AnyChat. This is a live chat and automation tool that you can add to your website so visitors can contact you easily. It shows a small button on all of your pages of your website. When someone clicks on that, they can get an option to reach you through the different messaging like WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, or any others. This means if you run a small shop, consultancy, or any kind of online business, your visitors can talk to you right away without having to dig around for the email or phone number. So how does AnyChat work basically, and why many people like it? Because AnyChat places a contact widget on every page of your website. That widget is like a little helper for your visitors. They click on that and they can pick their favorite messenger, like I talk about the WhatsApp, Messenger, or Telegram, and you don't need to show the email forms or phone numbers all over the site. It looks clean and feels professional. You also get the live chat capabilities. Visitor can message you directly in the real time. That helps a lot when a customer has the questions before buying or needs support. Instead of waiting for replying by email, they get responses fast. Consultation is one of the strong points. You can design your own callback or direct email forms if you want more way for people to reach you. For example, you might let them to request a callback or leave an email message. You can control what fields appear, what level you use, and where the widget shows up on your page. Once a visitor sends a request, you get immediate notification. That way nothing gets lost. AnyChat also integrates with many popular messaging platforms because it uses the deep linking, and it supports the apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, Twilio. So your visitors can use any of them and they already have, so they are comfortable with that. This is especially useful if you have international customers or customers who prefer mobile messaging over the email. If you run a business that handles many clients like an agency, AnyChat offers flexible plans. With one-time payment on AppSumo, you get the lifetime access. The simpler plan gives you basic features and a few chat agents, but more advanced plan let you add more agents or even white label the widget and connect your own domain, which makes the chat look like part of your brand. In short, you pay once and you don't have to worry about the recurring monthly or yearly fees. Because it is a lifetime deal on AppSumo, this can save a good amount of money compared to monthly subscription services, especially if your website is active for a long time. This one-time payment can really pay off. Now, of course, no tool is perfect. Some users feel that compared to bigger, more expensive chat systems, AnyChat lacks advanced feature. For example, there is no built-in AI chatbot capability, so it may not automatically answer complex customer messages. Analytics are quite basic, so you might not get the deep insight into visitor behavior. The interface can feel a little cluttered for some users, and if your site has a lot of traffic or many agents, then performance might slow down. Also, while implementation, this is very easy. You embed a piece of code on your website and just do some initial setup and customization. This might take some time, especially if you want the widget to fit well with your website or brand design. If you value a simple, flexible, and cost-effective communication tool, especially for an e-commerce site or consultancy service or small agency, then AnyChat is a strong choice to consider. So that's all basically for today's video. we were talking about the AnyChat, a live chat and messaging widget for your website that helps you to connect with your visitors quickly, stay professional, and manage communication easily. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more reviews like this, then subscribe this channel, Easy Access Tech. And again, check the link from description if you want to get the AnyChat at a special lifetime deal. So that's all for it. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.